Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about a whole nother topic. It's a first for me, and I'm going to give you my insights on Curtis Stone's bakeware featuring his Dura-Bake technology. So let's get started right now. So at this point, I've had a few months to test out this product, and I've been super happy with its performance. Now the first impression was so great. The color was what struck to me, and that beautiful red color is simply stunning to look at. And I was afraid to use it in fears of damaging that beautiful red color. But you and I must already know that looks when it comes to bakeware is usually deceiving. I've had so many experiences where I've gotten these beautiful bakeware and within a few months they lose their non-stick coating and they become gross to look at. You have to replace them. Waste of money, waste of time. So I was super skeptical. I had never heard that Chef Curtis Stone even had a bakeware, and I only know of the chef because of his appearances on The Biggest Loser. So the first thing that I did is to go on YouTube and try to see, are there any reviews for it, how good this product actually is it actually gonna last, and the worst thing, is it gonna warp? Because most of my pans, they tend to warp and I hate that. Now I didn't find much on YouTube except a few TV commercials, I guess, by Curtis Stone and some other host, but they were making all these dishes, and what he was trying to show was that anything you cook comes off with a spatula, and the cleanup is as simple as wiping it with a wet, clean cloth. And I was stunned because I've never had an experience like this. So I got inspired by seeing all these things, and I realized that hey, I have a deep dish pan. I didn't have to invest in an expensive cast iron deep dish pan. So I decided to make a deep dish pizza, Chicago style. And the recipe turned out so well. I actually had to cut the cooking time by half because the pan conducted the heat so well that the crust got the perfect golden brown crispy texture that I wanted in half the time. And I was super afraid to take that huge pizza out of the pan onto a cutting board. It was my first time doing it. I was afraid it was stuck at the bottom. Nothing. All I had to do was lift it on one end of the spatula and it just slid right out. The golden brown color on the crust was even all the way around. Check this out, guys. Look what we just made with our awesome pan. Look at that. See that crust? Beautiful. Look at that slice. Amazing. This pan makes it so easy to make this. And the crust had no permanent spots. I could easily just wipe it with a paper towel or a kitchen cloth and it was good to go. Now pans like this, they do show promise on the first few uses and they tend to lose their non-stick coating. Now one thing which I don't like about this product is that red coating. I'm not sure if that is the actual non-stick or if that starts below it. That comes off really easy. On my first try when making this pizza, I tried to lift the pizza out with a butter knife and that easily just scraped that red color out, and that hurt me when that happened. But so far it is still performing like it did on day one. I actually made pizza last night as well. What I don't like is how it's so big that if I want to have something just for myself, I have to make pizza for 10 people. So I would really have to invest in a smaller deep dish pan, which I do believe they sell it, but the last one that I checked, it was out of stock. And talking about different sizes, the sheet pan is amazing for meal prep. It fits so much food that you don't have to take out multiple pans, and cleanup is so easy. So if you work Monday to Friday 9 to 5 and you do your meal prep on the weekend, all you need is this huge baking sheet and it'll be good for all your cooking. So minimal dishes, minimal time spent, so you can spend more time with your family. These pans are amazing for somebody who loves baking and who loves the real estate of a great, good quality big pan. I love making homemade bread. When I made homemade burger buns last time, I could easily fit close to a dozen buns on each of these. And this is solid, super nice quality, and the buns came out the best, the greatest that they ever have. So all those burgers that I have been having lately, they were baked on these pans. They're simply amazing. And for the cookie lovers out there, I don't think you need to worry about forgetting to buy parchment paper to bake your cookies. These are good enough. Easily lift your light fluffy cookies up when they're done baking to cool down. It's also a great beginner product if you are looking to make pan pizzas and you are not ready to commit to taking care and buying a cast iron pan yet. The pan feels super sturdy when you hold it, and it's also super lightweight, so it's much easier to handle food. And also the perforated pan for pizzas is also amazing to give that delicious crispy crust in like half the time. The pizzas cook super well on it and they just slide right out. I think storing it though is a bit of a struggle for me because they do say to not let them touch each other. So I have these kitchen towels which I've layered in between them so they don't directly touch each other. Otherwise they say that it's gonna ruin the non-stick coating, so I would like you guys to keep that in mind if you decide to buy it. The product is going on sale. If you want, you can buy this on Amazon Canada's website for $37 if you order today for free shipping. I'll have the link down below if you want to take a look at it. As for alternatives, I've tried a multitude of products before this. I've tried Cuisinart, Betty Crocker, Oxo, and they all seem to have the same issues. They all say they're non-stick. They all look beautiful when you first buy them, but after the first month, they start warping, they start discoloring, and they look disgusting, and you end up throwing it out just to bring in another product which promises quality, sturdiness, and long-lasting non-stick coating. An upgrade from Curtis Stone, I would say, would be USA pans, which is a bit more expensive than this. So I would suggest use this as a stepping stone and really get your hands dirty with it, and then upgrade to USA pans if you feel like it. Curtis Stone's Dura-Bake pans are great for anybody who loves easy cleanup, who loves to get in and out of the kitchen with minimal work. And it's also great for those who are tired of scrubbing and breaking their backs or cleaning the smudges and the marks from all their various discolored baking pans. I think these pans are a bit of an underdog just because people don't know about it much. And I think with your help, we can really help these pans get out there so that more people can have a quality baking experience. I give this a 4 out of 5 stars just because of the red coating, which may or may not be the key to the non-stick nature of the pan. How long that may last, I do take as much care as I can. Ever since that first scratch, I use a spatula every time, but I'm astonished by how easy that is to come off. So if you take good care of it, then you have nothing to worry about. Curtis Stone offers so many more products with its Dura-Bake non-stick coating, so you can check out his website. I'll have it linked down below to discover many other Dura-Bake bakeware, which is going to be great for your own purpose. It's going to be great for all your baking needs. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this short little review. If you have any feedback regarding this review, what I should have included, what I should not have included, please let me know in the comment down below, and I'll be sure to read it and improve on it the next time. If you want to see more awesome videos just like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Like and comment this video. If you want to see what I'm doing right now, be sure to follow me on all my social media handles right now. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.